we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
Hey guys, good morning. So I have done a few different morning routine videos on my channel, but I feel like lately during the whole quarantine period my routine has completely changed, so I thought why not make a video about it. So I just woke up a little while ago. Honestly, I've been waking up pretty late. I don't have a fixed time, I just wake up depending on when I go to sleep the night before, but I just woke up a while ago and I spent the last like half an hour reading my book. This is something which I've been doing lately. Instead of just looking at my phone in the morning, I've really been enjoying just staying in bed and reading a book. So yeah, I've got my Kindle and I just read for a bit, and I'm just gonna take you guys through my morning right now.
The future is bright. Got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So these days I've started doing my skincare routine right in the morning before my shower. So earlier I would shower and then do my morning routine, but if I'm being honest, lately I've just been showering in the evenings because we have nowhere to go, and usually in the evenings I work out, so I shower then. Sometimes I shower twice a day, so in the morning I shower and then do my skincare, but today is not one of those days. So I'm just gonna show you guys my skincare routine now. My skin has actually been doing great, but every time I get my period, one random pimple pops up on my face, and that is just so annoying, but hopefully this will go away soon. So let me show you what my skincare routine is like these days. So first I use a toner. This one is from this brand called Vilva. So during this lockdown, I've actually been trying out a lot of Indian skincare brands, and this one is cruelty free and it's also a sustainable skincare brand. So I got a bunch of products from there. So this is the pure tea tree water and it's basically a toner. So first I just spritz some of this on my face. So instead of waiting for this to dry, I've noticed that if I apply products with the toner being wet, they absorb better. Next, I'm going to use this essence. It is the Numero 10 essence from Belief. Again, I really like this product. This just arrived along with all my stuff from Mumbai, so I'm very excited to be reunited with all my skincare. So next I'm going to use the eye cream, which is also from Vilva. This is the Revitalizing Under Eye Cream. This is what it looks like. So I've been using this both morning and night, and it's quite a soothing eye cream. I really like it. Then I'm gonna apply this day cream, which is again from Vilva. I picked up a bunch of things from there. So this day cream, what I really like about it is that it's great for oily skin. I have oily skin, so this isn't super heavy, and it's also multi-purpose moisturizer. So on most days I don't wear makeup, but when I'm filming a video or something, I'll wear makeup and I use this as a primer. And otherwise I just use it as it is in the morning, and it also has SPF 20. So these days, because we're indoors a lot, I don't really end up wearing sunscreen unless I go out. But I feel like this is nice because even when you're indoors, there is like some sunlight. I do go out to my garden and stuff. So because this has SPF, I don't really end up wearing sunscreen separately. Lastly, I'm gonna wear some lip balm. This one is from Burt's Bees and it is in the shade Rose. So that was my skincare routine. This is pretty much all I do in the morning, so it takes me about 1 minute, and a lot of you keep asking me about it, so I thought I'll quickly share it here. So usually in the mornings I try to meditate as well. So if I'm being honest, like lately the last few months my mornings have just not been good, so which is why I've kind of changed my schedule and kept my mornings super chill, and then I start working in the afternoon and I work till night. So that's kind of my schedule, which is why my mornings are super laid back. But anyway, I don't really do a guided meditation or such. I usually just set a timer on my phone for like 15 minutes and just meditate on my own. So I'm gonna meditate now.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. side by side and through. No limit to what we can do.
So I typically start my mornings by drinking apple cider vinegar in water. This tastes disgusting, but I've been having it for quite a lot of years now, so I'm kind of used to the taste. Now before you comment, I know this is not good for your teeth, so what I usually do is after having this I use mouthwash so that the bad effect on the teeth goes away. But this is great for your health and it improves your metabolism and stuff. So yeah, I usually have this in the morning, and I like sitting here in the garden because I'm so grateful that we have a garden here at home. And in the mornings the sun isn't too harsh and I really like sitting out here.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
Also, these days I have actually started doing intermittent fasting, so I don't eat breakfast. I straight away have lunch and then have like an 8-hour gap and then have dinner. So that's usually my routine. So I eat at around 12 or 1 and then eat at night. Anyway, I've got my journal here. This is called the Bright Side Journal and I've been using this lately. So this is how the pages inside look like. You have 3 lines to write things you're grateful for and then 2 lines to write daily affirmations. So I like doing this in the morning.
What we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So I'm done filling this up, and this honestly takes like 2 minutes to do, but it has such a huge impact on my day and it just puts my head in a very positive space. So I love doing this. Also, I have my iPad here with me, so this is usually the time I also sit and just plan the rest of my day. So today I have a bunch of things to get done. I need to film a video apart from this one, and I also need to edit a video, and I have a few other things I need to get done. So I'm just gonna make a to-do list for myself.
With you and I, the future is bright.
So once I'm done journaling, wow, the bird sounds, can't do anything about it, but I usually just sit and chill here. Sometimes I walk around the garden. Usually in the morning there are lots of butterflies here, so it's just really nice to walk around, and I think this is my favorite part of the day. Like I mentioned, like a couple of months ago, mornings were just so anxious, but yeah, I've just been trying to take it slow in the morning. I typically take about 2 hours and spend time with my morning routine, and it's really been helping me feel better mentally. So I'm kind of glad that I work for myself and I can do this. Like I mentioned before, these days I've started working more in the afternoons and evenings. So typically around 12:30 is when I start working. But I still like my mornings to be productive. So even though I don't do any work, I try to take like an online class or something in the morning. And I love online classes. I've honestly purchased a lot of online courses during this lockdown. And I think this is a good time to like upskill yourself and learn new things. And yeah, I as it is love learning new things because I've always been a nerd. So yeah, I'm just gonna do an online class now. The one I'm currently doing is sort of about branding and yeah, building a personal brand, which is kind of what I do as well. Also guys, I've been taking a lot of notes during my classes. So look at how many pages of notes I have. This is all from just one course. So yeah, I'm like taking this whole learning thing very seriously.
We don't need no more.
So that was it for my morning routine. This is pretty much what I've been trying to do the last few weeks, and it has been really nice for my mental health, and I just feel more positive through the day. I'm so grateful that I have a job where I'm basically working for myself, so I have the flexibility to work anytime. So that is awesome. But I feel like even if you don't, this routine can be incorporated with a job as well. You just have to maybe wake up a little earlier. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment and let me know what your morning routine is, because I'm curious to see how different or similar to mine your routine is. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!